I feel like Shmi. If anyone's ever watched him on YouTube, he's like a car vlogger, YouTuber. Anyway, that's because I am stood in front of the Lotus Emira, which has just come out. I think there's a few that came out last year, but this is one of the first ones. Pretty much, it's the Lotus Emira, and yeah, here it is. I went out in it yesterday, as I'll put on screen now. I wasn't there to pick it up though, unfortunately, so I'll put some of the stuff and pick it up from the dealership here now. But yeah, pretty much, this is the Lotus Emira. It's a V6 supercharged. I think it's about, officially I think it's 406 horsepower. But I think that's about 400 really. But I'm not too sure. I'm into cars, but I'm not mega clued up on like stats and stuff, you know what I mean? Like I'm into driving, but I'm not into like I've got mates who can say anything about any car, but I like driving them, I like riding bikes and stuff, but I'm not into the mechanics of it. But this it's rear engined, obviously, V6 as you can see there, Lotus, and it is well that is. So basically, went for the the silver wheels, yellow calipers, and like the kind of British racing green, traditional British racing green. I did try and get I was favouring the blue and black wheels, but then I kind of thought, I don't know, in the end, it's kind of just gone for like more subtle. Like I feel like if it's a bright blue car that everyone sees, this is more subtle, you know what I mean? It's like having a Rolex with no diamonds on it or something, you know what I mean? Like it's not like, I'm not into mega outlandish thing. Well, I am actually, but like, I don't know. Looks like you're not bothered.